2019 Toyota Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, CD player, security system, electronic stability control, compass, heated front seats, fog lights, power windows, trip computer, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, brake assist, tachometer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.